Picture this. You've been spending time with an amazing woman, and you can feel the chemistry growing between you. You're not quite dating yet, but you know there's something special there. So how do you take things to the next level and make her miss you when you're not around? Well, my friend, the secret lies in the power of your words. By saying the right things at the right moments, you can create a lasting impression that will have her thinking about you long after you've parted ways. In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful phrases that will make her miss you like crazy. These aren't just cheesy pickup lines. They're genuine expressions of appreciation and connection that will touch her heart and keep you on her mind. So, let's dive in. 1. I was thinking about you today. Imagine you're going about your day, running errands or working on a project, when suddenly, she pops into your mind. Maybe it's something she said the last time you hung out, or a silly joke she told that made you laugh. Whatever the reason, let her know. Send her a quick text or give her a call and say, "I was thinking about you today." It's a simple phrase, but it carries a lot of weight. You're telling her that even when you're not together, she's still on your mind. This kind of subtle reminder will make her feel special and appreciated, and it will keep you at the forefront of her thoughts as well. Plus, it opens the door for further conversation and connection, as she'll likely be curious about what made you think of her in the first place. 2. I love the way you. Everyone loves a good compliment, but the key to making it memorable is to make it specific and personal. Instead of just telling her she's pretty or smart, focus on something unique about her that you genuinely appreciate. Maybe it's the way she throws her head back when she laughs, or the passion she has for her favorite hobby. Whatever it is, let her know that you've noticed and admired it. Start with the phrase, "I love the way you," and fill in the blank with your specific observation. For example, "I love the way you light up when you talk about your dog," or "I love the way you always know just what to say to make me smile." By complimenting her in a way that feels special and personal, you're showing her that you see her as an individual, not just another face in the crowd. And that kind of recognition will stay with her long after you've gone your separate ways. 3. You really get me. In any relationship, romantic or otherwise, one of the greatest feelings is the sense of being truly understood. When you find someone who seems to just get you, it creates a deep bond that's hard to shake. So if you feel like this woman really understands you, don't be afraid to tell her. Look her in the eyes and say, "You really get me." It's a powerful acknowledgement of the connection you share, and it will make her feel seen and appreciated in a profound way. This phrase is especially meaningful if you've shared something personal or vulnerable with her, and she's responded with empathy and understanding. By telling her that she gets you, you're reinforcing the trust and intimacy between you, and creating a bond that will keep you both coming back for more. 4. I can't wait to see you again. Anticipation is a powerful thing. When you're excited about something in the future, it can make the present moment feel electric. So, if you're looking forward to your next meeting with this special woman, let her know. As you're saying goodbye, whether in person or over the phone, tell her, "I can't wait to see you again." It speaks volumes about your feelings for her and your excitement about the future. This kind of anticipation is contagious, and it will likely have her counting down the days until your next encounter as well. Plus, it gives you both something to look forward to and build upon, creating a sense of momentum in your relationship. Just be sure to follow through on your word and make plans to see her again soon. The anticipation is only as powerful as the payoff, so don't leave her hanging. Enjoying the video? Give it a like and tell us what you think. And if you're looking for tailored advice, our free dating strategy call will teach you how to meet more women and confidently navigate the dating scene. Reserve your session through the pinned comment. 5. That reminds me of you. One of the most powerful ways to create a lasting connection with someone is to associate them with positive experiences and memories. So, if you find yourself in a moment that reminds you of her, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with her. Maybe you're walking through the park and you see a flower that's the same color as her eyes, or you hear a song on the radio that you know she loves. Whatever the trigger, take a moment to reach out to her and say, "That reminds me of you." By doing this, you're not just sharing a passing thought. You're inviting her into your world and showing her that she's a meaningful part of your life, even when she's not physically present. This kind of association will deepen the connection between you and make her feel like she's always on your mind. Plus, it creates a shared language and history that only the two of you understand, which is a powerful bonding force. 6. You're different from everyone else I know. Everyone wants to feel special and unique, and this is especially true when it comes to romantic connections. So if you find yourself consistently impressed and intrigued by this woman, let her know that she stands out from the crowd. Tell her, "You're different from everyone else I know." You're telling her that she's not just another face in the crowd. She's someone who has captured your attention and your admiration in a way that no one else has. This kind of recognition will make her feel seen and appreciated in a profound way, and it will set her apart in her own mind as well. She'll start to see herself through your eyes, as someone special and unique, and that's a powerful feeling. Just be sure to back up your words with actions that show her just how much you value her individuality, whether it's planning dates that cater to her unique interests, or simply listening attentively when she shares her thoughts and opinions. Show her that you appreciate and celebrate her for who she is. 7. You have such a good heart. When it comes to compliments, it's easy to focus on the superficial, her looks, her style, her accomplishments. But if you really want to make a lasting impression, focus on something deeper, her character. One of the most meaningful things you can say to a woman is, "You have such a good heart." It's a compliment that goes beyond the surface and speaks to who she is as a person. By acknowledging her kindness, her compassion, her generosity, you're showing her that you see and appreciate the best parts of her. You're telling her that you value her not just for what she does, but for who she is. This kind of compliment will touch her on an emotional level and create a deep sense of connection and appreciation. She'll feel seen and valued in a way that goes beyond the superficial, and that's a feeling that will stay with her long after you've parted ways. 8. You bring out the best in me. Finally, if you really want to make a lasting impression on this woman, let her know the positive impact she has on you. One of the most powerful things you can say is, "You bring out the best in me." This phrase acknowledges the transformative power of your connection. You're telling her that simply by being herself, she inspires you to be your best self as well. Maybe she challenges you to think in new ways, or encourages you to pursue your passions. Maybe her kindness and compassion inspire you to be more empathetic and giving. Whatever the specifics, let her know that her presence in your life has made you a better person. This kind of acknowledgement will create a deep sense of bonding and appreciation between you. She'll feel valued not just for what she does for you, but for who she is and the positive impact she has on your life. And that, my friend, is a feeling that will keep her coming back to you again and again, even when you're not together. So now that you know how to make her miss you, what's next? Discover the things girls do when flirting with you, or learn the 30 signs she thinks you're attractive. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.